If you need to create a Windows bootable USB but you don't have access to a working computer, it can be done from an Android smartphone. Let me show you how. Things you'll need are a USB stick 8GB or larger, and remember this USB stick is going to be completely wiped. You'll need an Android phone and you'll need a USB on-the-go cable. This is essentially just a cable that goes from a USB-C to a USB-A, but it has to be a data cable, not just a charging cable for this to work. The first thing to do is download the Windows 11 ISO file, and this actually contains all the data that goes onto the USB stick. You can Google download Windows 11, and then on the download page scroll down to the disk image section and then select the download and then click confirm, and then you need to ensure you're choosing the correct language that applies to you. And then click confirm again. Then you click the 64-bit download button. You'll see that this is now downloading onto your phone. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection like your home Wi-Fi to ensure the download goes smoothly. Next, we'll need an app in order to create the USB. We're going to use something called Drofus, which is a bit like Rufus for the PC. It has a very low rating, but it does actually work, so let me show you. And then it will ask you to consent to marketing, etc., which you can opt out of using the options if you want, or just accept it. You can then plug in your USB on-the-go cable, or if it's already in, you can unplug and then re-plug it. If any apps besides Drofus try to open the app, such as CX File Explorer, you need to deny that, but when Drofus asks you to use the USB, you have to grant it access, of course. From the screen here, we'll need to pick our ISO. I want to go to the sandwich menu, go to Downloads, and then find that file that you just downloaded from the Windows ISO page. If you want, you can tick the box to remove the requirements, up to you, doesn't really matter. Then you press start, but you see that you're going to need coins in order to do this. It's one of the quirks of this app, which is a little bit annoying. You need to watch a couple of long adverts in order to do it. When this menu pops up, you need to click the free part, but you actually have to press the text. You can't press the little picture above it because it doesn't work. Then you need to wait 45 seconds, and then you need to actually watch the advert. It's those particularly annoying game adverts, so you just click to go to the store and then back out of that screen and then click the little X in the top right hand corner to get out of it, and then you'll see that there is a coin loaded onto your account. You will unfortunately need to repeat this process one more time, and once you've done that you'll see in the top right of the app that there are 2 coins now available. Now you can go down to the bottom and press start and then OK, and then the process of creating the USB will begin. This will take a long time. Leave your phone down on the side of a table, don't pick it up and use it for anything else or disturb it, just leave it until the process is done. Once it's complete, you can then remove the USB on-the-go cable and your USB stick and you'll be ready to install Windows. I've tested this myself and it does in fact work, and if you found this video helpful, please leave a thank you down below and subscribe.